How to extract RAR files on PC. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract your RAR files on PC. So let's get started. To do that, you'll need an application known as WinRAR. So you're going to head over, open any of the search engine and type in WinRAR. You'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on WinRAR, that is Win-RAR, and you'll need to acknowledge that this is a paid application, but you'll be offered 40 days free. So you're going to head over, click and download WinRAR, and then you'll be able to see it downloaded over here. So you're going to simply run this exe file. So you're going to give it administration access and then head over, simply download the application and run it. Now, let's say you have a RAR file that is over here. So you're going to simply double click on it and then you're going to select suggested apps. You're going to click on WinRAR and you can select always or just once. And after that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Now, if you wish to buy WinRAR, you can simply buy it. But if not, you can simply ignore this, cross it over here and simply head over here. So this is the RAR file we have. So you're going to click on it and then you're going to click on extract to. And then you're going to select the folder where you wish to extract it. So it has by default created a folder. Now the folder or destination path will be created if it doesn't already exist. So you're going to choose your modes over here, either update mode, override mode, or some miscellaneous stuff. And then you're going to simply head over, click on OK, and then you're going to head over to your downloads. And now you can see that the file has been extracted. So that was how you can open or extract RAR files on your PC. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.